Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just delivered Vincent's 2024 Road Glide. So we ordered the factory lids with the factory speaker cutouts. We ordered the factory grills for it. So what a lot of people don't realize is the CVO grills fit on the non-CVO models, and that's what we did. So the dealer actually would not let him order the CVO grills because he did not own a CVO. Obviously, I own a CVO, so I just used my VIN number to order him the grills. These grills are on national back order, so you guys know. I think the dealer said they won't be here till June. So before you plan your install, make sure the parts are available. The lids are readily available, the grills, and then this is the crazy part. The crazy part is the grills cost the same, CVO versus standard, which is crazy to me because the CVO grills are nice metal and plastic grills, and the basic grills that come on the standard are all plastic. So I don't know how Harley could justify charging the same amount for both grills, being that the CVO is a lot nicer, but I'll put the part numbers to both in the description. What I figured out on this bike is the 500 watt amp that comes on the CVO is different than the 200 watt amp that comes on the non-CVO, and the 200 watt amp is actually easier to tune. It doesn't overdrive the input of the DSP. You can go all the way up with volume if you choose to. The radio, just like the older radio, distorts past 80%. So the non-CVO is a lot more tunable. Plus, the noise gate in the PSM Pro DSP that we use actually works on the non-CVOs. So the bike is dead quiet while no music is playing, absolutely no hiss. So that was a great add-on feature that we got by accident. That feature does not work on the CVO amplifier. The non-CVO amplifier is basically radio powered. It's only 200 watts peak. It's just over 100 watts RMS. So it's the same amount of power that you would get after a good solid aftermarket radio. And the amplifier's DC offset. That's why the PSM Pro works when it comes to the noise gate, because it actually sees when the amplifier comes on. It cannot see when the CVO Rockford amplifier comes on. We went with a set of Cicada CHXs in the fairing and a set of Hertz 690 Neo 6 lines in the lids. Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4. NVS Audio T-harness, which makes everything 100% plug and play. No posi tap, no T-tap, nothing. 100% plugs into the factory wiring. And the PSM Pro DSP, obviously. This is the same setup that we do on our stage 1 or stage 2 regular, whether it's a 23 and down or 24 and up. The A to B interface is at least 4 months away from 2 to 3 different companies. So for you, those of you that are on the fence about whether or not to wait for your audio upgrade, if you do wait for the A to B interface, you're not going to have music all spring and possibly half the summer. But check it out. 100% plug and play, no modification of the radio bracket, no modification of the radio harness. Didn't have to trim or grind anything. I'll show you the pictures and then I'll roll the video. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.
can't help it, so make it one more.